The term HESCO mill designates a particular kind of earth-filled protective barrier made by HESCO. These partitions are sometimes referred to as concertainers, or HESCO bastions. They are frequently employed for flood control and military fortifications. The HESCO mill units are constructed with heavy-duty fabric lining a collapsible wire mesh frame. Sand, dirt, or other easily obtained materials can be added to the frame after it has been swiftly unfolded and put together. Once filled, the units form a robust and stable barrier that is resistant to many threats, such as floodwaters, explosives, and small arms fire. Units from HESCO mill can be readily disassembled and repurposed for additional deployments. Developed for complex environments and urban warfare, the XTENDER ISR system is a revolutionary micro-tactical indoor intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance system. It enables users to remotely control drones and other payloads from a safe distance with high precision and situational awareness, even if they have never flown before. The system includes a tiny, wearable drone that is adept at navigating confined spaces. With a length of just 11.8 inches and a weight of approximately 1.8 pounds, it is incredibly lightweight and flexible. It makes use of sensor fusion to combine data from various sources for a complete picture of the environment and virtual reality to give operators a first-person view from the drone. Bell Helicopter is developing a concept eVTOL aircraft called the Bell APT, or Autonomous Pod Transport. It is intended to be a long-range, fast cargo drone with multiple uses, such as on-demand delivery, medical missions, and military support. The advantages of both airplanes and helicopters are combined in the unique design of the APT. Like a helicopter, it takes off and lands vertically. The rotors of the APT are driven by 6 electric motors. Compared to a conventional helicopter design, the V-tail configuration of the rotors offers more stability and control. The aircraft can carry a payload of up to 500 pounds and has a range of up to 200 miles. Developed by Textron Systems, the RIPSAW M5 is an unmanned ground vehicle of the 5th generation. It is made for perimeter security, explosive ordnance disposal, target acquisition, reconnaissance, and surveillance missions. Numerous sensors, such as radar, LiDAR, and cameras, are included with the M5. The M5's sensors enable it to function in all weather conditions and during the day. A 30mm cannon, a 7.62mm machine gun, and grenade launchers are just a few of the weaponry that can be added to the M5. A human operator situated at a remote control station is in charge of operating the M5. The M5's weapons and sensors allow the operator to engage targets and obtain situational awareness. With its quiet and remote operation, the Door Blaster HDB-90ST is a potent portable door breaching tool. Special tactics teams and law enforcement organizations use it to swiftly and effectively enter buildings or rooms without the need for explosives or other destructive techniques. It just takes a button press to quickly and easily clamp the tool into the door frame. One person can carry and operate the HDB-90ST due to its small size and light weight, which saves labor and lowers the possibility of running into objects and creating noise. By using a remote control to activate and release the tool from a safe distance, the operator can further lower the risk of injury. RHEINMETALL's latest main battle tank, the PANTHER KF-51, represents a significant advancement in military technology, setting new standards in mobility, networking, lethality, protection, and survivability. Unveiled to the public on June 2022 at the Eurosatori Defense Exhibition, this tank is built on the Leopard 2A forehull and features an auto-loading 130mm caliber main gun housed in a new turret. Boasting a fully digital architecture and equipped with a next-generation active protection system, the KF-51 incorporates cutting-edge features such as the ability to operate unmanned aerial vehicles. Rheinmetall positions the KF-51 to rival tanks like the Leopard 2S7 and other contemporary main battle tanks. Furthermore, the company prioritizes exports in the tank's development, highlighting its potential for international sales. Installed on a diver's mask, the JFD Shadow Nav is a head-up display. It gives the diver, even in low visibility, vital information like time, depth, and compass heading. Military divers, who frequently work in dangerous and low visibility environments, should pay particular attention to this. Rechargeable batteries provide power to the compact, light Shadow Nav device. Hand operation is possible, making it simple to use. The information is easy to read, even in bright sunlight, thanks to the bright and clear display. Each diver who works in low visibility conditions can greatly benefit from the JFD Shadow Nav. Enhancing diver efficiency and safety while increasing enjoyment is possible with it. Developed by Thales and Nexter, the RAPIDFIRE Naval is an extremely advanced, remotely operated weapon system that protects naval vessels against air and surface threats up close. It is a state-of-the-art remedy for contemporary marine warfare. The RAPIDFIRE Naval can fire 200 rounds per minute and has a maximum range of 4,000 meters. It has an advanced fire control system with a ballistic computer, an electro-optical tracking system, and a radar. Even in inclement weather, the RAPIDFIRE Naval can track and engage targets with high precision thanks to this system. 5 distinct types of ammunition, which are automatically recognized and chosen based on the threat, can be fired by the gun system in real time. The GM6 LYNX is an anti-material rifle produced by Zero International Limited in Hungary in the 50 BMG caliber. Due to its bullpup design, which places the magazine and action behind the trigger, this rifle is smaller and more maneuverable than conventional rifles of the same caliber. The LYNX is a semi-automatic rifle that fires a range of 50 BMG rounds, including tracer, incendiary, and armor-piercing bullets. It can produce up to 14,500 joules of muzzle energy and has an effective range of up to 2,000 meters. Numerous armed forces and law enforcement organizations worldwide have embraced the LYNX. Based on the Boxer multi-role armored vehicle, the RHEINMETALL Boxer COBRA BRIDGELAYER is a military engineering vehicle. With a quick deployment and recovery time of up to 15 meters, the COBRA BRIDGELAYER can support vehicles classified as Military Load Classification MLC-50, which includes the majority of main battle tanks and heavy armored vehicles. Because the bridge system is modular, it can be added or removed from the Boxer vehicle as needed, maintaining the vehicle's complete operation for other missions. Constructed from high-strength steel and aluminum, the bridge is designed in the concertina style. The Boxer vehicle's front is equipped with a hydraulic launch system that is used to deploy it. In 2 minutes, the bridge can be deployed, and in 1 minute, it can be recovered. Tahir Insad's concept for top-down anti-tank missiles is a new kind of anti-tank weapon that targets tanks from above. According to the concept, a missile would be launched from a small unmanned aerial vehicle and strike the top of a tank, which is normally less armored. The UAV would fly over the battlefield until it found a target after being launched from a ground vehicle or helicopter. The UAV would descend and fire the missile at the tank after locating its target. The missile would have a shaped charge warhead, which would concentrate its explosive power on a tiny target and pierce the armor of the tank. Compared to conventional anti-tank weapons, the top-down anti-tank missile concept offers a number of potential benefits. Firstly, it is very effective against tanks' upper armor, which is usually far weaker than their side or front armor. Second, tanks find it challenging to repel the top-down attack. Tahir Insad has come up with an intriguing and creative idea for a new kind of anti-tank weapon, the anti-tank missile. A tiny anti-tank missile is carried by a loitering drone in this concept. Before launching an aerial attack on enemy vehicles, the drone could scan the battlefield while in the air. This concept has multiple potential benefits. Firstly, the drone would be easier for enemy vehicles to shoot down because it would be smaller and more nimble than a conventional anti-tank missile. Furthermore, the drone has the ability to target vehicles from above, which is a far more vulnerable position than the front or sides. Third, even in inclement weather or at night, the drone might be fitted with sensors that would enable it to recognize and follow enemy tanks.